Namaste, my dear friends. Now we will start our satsang of Sri Ramcharitmanas Katha. In this satsang, we will discuss the verses from Balkand. So let's start with our satsang and its explanation. सियापति रामचंद्र जी की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान जी की जय, सीता माता की जय। राम प्रतोषी मातु सब, कही बिनीत बर बैन। सुमरी शंभु गुर विप्रपद, किए नीद बस नैन हो रामा, किए नीद बस नैन। अर्थात विनय भरे उत्तम वचन कहकर श्री रामचंद्र जी ने सब माताओं को संतुष्ट किया। फिर शिव जी गुरु और ब्राह्मणों के चरणों का स्मरण करके नेत्रों को नींद के वश किया, अर्थात वो सो रहे हैं। दैट मीन्स विथ लॉट्स ऑफ हम्बलनेस एंड विथ गुड वर्ड्स, श्री भगवान रामचंद्र जी दे हैव टोल्ड ऑल द मदर्स, and he also satisfied all the mothers with his words. Then he also worshipped Lord Shankar, all the gurus, all the teachers, respected teachers, and all the Brahmins. He worshipped and he touched the feet of all the Brahmins, all the gurus, and Lord Shankar. And he requested that now they can go for sleep. नींदहु बदन सोह सुठी लोना, मनहु सांझ सरसिह सोना। घर घर करहि जागरण नारी, देहि परस मंगल गारी, देहि परस मंगल गारी। नींद में भी उनका अत्यंत सलोना मुखड़ा ऐसा सो रहा था मानो संध्या के समय का लाल कमल सो रहा हो। स्त्रियां घर घर जागरण कर रही हैं और आपस में एक दूसरे को मंगलमयी गालियां दे रही हैं। सो नाउ सी हियर इन दिस, so beautifully they have explained. Maharaj Tulsidas ji, he has explained about that how beautiful Lord Rama is looking. His face is looking just like a lotus. So he is making the similarity of lotus and the face of Lord Shri Ram. So he said that in sleep, his face is looking very beautiful, just like that in the evening, red lotus is sleeping. So he is making comparison in such a way, so he is trying to beautify the beauty of Bhagwan Ram. स्त्रियां घर घर जागरण कर रही हैं. That means all the ladies of the city, they are not sleeping, they are awakened and they are just doing very religious ceremony. They are in celebration, they are doing lots of activities and they are talking with other fellow ladies. So this is describing that how the atmosphere at that time in the city was there. That there was lots of happiness, lots of comfort and lots of peace was there in the city. पूरी बिराजती राजती रजनी, रानी कहीं बिलो कहूँ सजनी। सुंदर बंधनु सासुले साई, फनकी नह जनऊ सिर मनि उर्गोई, पनकीनी जनऊ सिर मनि उर्गोई। तात्पर्य यह है, रानियां कहती हैं, हे सजनी देखो आज रात्रि की कैसी शोभा है, जिससे अयोध्यापुरी विशेष शोभित हो रही है। ये कहती हुई सासुएं सुंदर बहुओं को लेकर सो गईं, मानो सर्प ने अपने सर की मणियों को हृदय में छुपा लिया है। All the queens, they are talking and they are saying that how beautiful is this night. And see, the Ayodhya Nagari, the Ayodhya city is looking so gorgeous, so beautiful in this celebration time. And they compared that they are looking that this Ayodhya Nagari is looking so beautiful that telling this beautification is beyond the words. Doing this explanation, they have taken all the daughter-in-laws inside and they made them sleep. Today we will stop it here, and tomorrow again we will continue our satsang. Till then, take care of yourself and I wish lots of blessings. Jai Shri Ram.